What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our SUB250 box from FPVcrate. This is for November 2020. If you don't even know what SUB250 FPVcrate box is, it's pretty much a 3-inch and under subscription box that you get every month with not random parts every month, but like they have like one big item and usually some props and then maybe some other items. But what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. If you're interested in subscribing to FPVcrate, I'll leave an affiliate link down below. It does help support the channel, help support me. And if you did find this video helpful, and let's go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you what your thoughts were of this month's box. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the box and do an unboxing. So let's see here. All right. So this is what it comes with. So it looks like we got 10% off store-wide at FPVcrate. Use code. If you want to use my code, go ahead. First come, first serve. Then we got some QAVS frame stickers. Sensei. Sorry. Cool. Little stickers. Look, we got some 3-inch 4-blade props. These are the HQ Durable 2.9 by 2.9 by 4. Got 3 sets of those. Looks like we got a little 3. I guess this would be like the 20 by 20. I think M2 screws. Yeah, M2 screws kit. Could always use these because I'm always never having any to be able to fix quads that are small with these screws. So this comes in handy. And then looks like for our big item this month is the Caddx Baby Ratel. Cool. So it looks like the only thing we're missing for this build to do it on the channel is just the frame. So I guess we'll probably get that next month. Pretty obvious. But let's go ahead and check out what we got. What it looks like. Nice packaging, I guess. Baby Ratel. That thing is tiny. Super, super tiny. It probably won't even weigh a gram or two, honestly. Yeah, that's definitely going to come in handy in the build. But yeah, this box was pretty cool. I mean, eventually we're going to get a box with a camera in it, right? Not as cool as like maybe motors or something like that, but we are, looks like we're pretty close to getting our 3-inch build started. But yeah, this is Viper FPV's unboxing for the SUB250 crate. If you are interested in subscribing, go ahead and click that link down below. I'll be leaving links to everything down below. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.